Okay friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers will share you the beautiful dry beans crafts ideas. So I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start. Today video friends. So viewers, my first idea is beans flour are to take a paper or board, draw a simple flower. Now add glue and place beans on the line. Use different beans for color. Let it dry. Your beautiful artwork is ready. Beans mosaic frame. Let's decorate a photo frame with beans. Take a plain frame. Apply glue on the border. Stick bean in different pattern. Mix color for a nice look. Let it travel. Your frame look so pretty. And friends, next idea is the beans candle holder. Today we make a candle holder. Take a glass jar, fill it with dried beans. Place a candle in the center. You can mix beans, cover it, look warm and beautiful. So viewers, beans tray decor. So viewers, next idea is viewers friends. Take a tray and apply glue. Add beans in line or shape creatively on design. Let it dry. Now your tray looks unique. So I hope you will like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.